I have my first museum exhibit. Kind of. I was recently contacted by the Jefferson County Historical Society, a group located up in Port Townsend, Washington, just about a 2-hour drive north of Seattle. They were celebrating their grand reopening of their Museum of History and Art, and they wanted me to be a part of it. There's a lot of really cool stuff there, like relics of the past, a chance to connect with other museum goers, some fascinating information, and an actual jail cell from the 1920s because the building used to be the town's sheriff's department. And while all of that is super cool, the thing I'm involved in is right at the end of the exhibit, under this section marked Future of Home. As part of a project with numerous schools in the area, they had kids from kindergarten through 6th grade draw what they envisioned as their dream future house, what they thought houses in the future would look like, and more importantly, what they wanted houses in the future to look like. And once JCHS had selected 20 drawings, they decided to turn them from 2D drawings into 3D models. And that is where I come in. I got to take these kids' drawings and reinterpret them into 3D, then print them all to be on display next to the original drawings. The project took up a decent chunk of my time between interpreting some of the more unique and chaotic designs, designing them all in Fusion 360, and getting everything printed. Anyone who comes to my Twitch stream will know that my schedule was really wonky when I was working on it. But man, nothing compared to the feeling of seeing the work I'd put into these models on display right in the middle of a major museum. And while I was up there, I got to chat with a lot of museum goers about the project and about 3D printing in general. So if you happen to live near the Port Townsend area and want to see some of my work on display, definitely go visit the JCHS History and Art Museum. It's not only a cool place to visit, but you'll be able to see some of my 3D prints. That was the coolest thing I have ever done in 3D printing. And I'm not sure anything comes close.